because it is a very complex matter. There are a lot of things that go into underwriting of these types of plans, a lot of things that go into provider negotiations and contracts with these types of plans. And so this is not a simple matter we can just throw out to the public to decide. That's really actually irresponsible when we don't have something in place for the public to even review. And honestly, this is not something for the public to review. The people of Guam, the revenues of the people of Guam come from the taxes, from the employers, from the employees, through income taxes and all of that. We pay into that. So when we talk about the people of Guam and the revenues created by that, who do you think brings those revenues to the government of Guam? We do. And so when you say the people of Guam who you represent, you also represent us and all of its employees. And so that's what we have to be clear on, and we have to be very careful going down this road. It is not a simple fix. But the good news is we are providing insurance to our employees. That's the bottom line. You really want an answer on that? We are providing insurance to our employees. Some of them elect not to have coverage. They have coverage elsewhere, or possibly they have multiple jobs. That is not really the argument here today. The main point of the problem, again, is back to GMH, the outstanding receivables, and whether or not we should go down this road of Affordable Care Act. But a lot of work has to be made further into it so we can understand it and better support the initiative if we are going to have this as an initiative. We need to do our research, and we need to have the discussion with all the stakeholders, including GMH, including the insurance companies, including an insurance commissioner who's going to approve all of this. It is not up to the public to decide that, especially for the hotels and its employees.
Okay. Any other senator wishing to ask questions or comments? Okay. The other critical component to this initiative is the election itself and the timelines. And so we'll get with the Guam Election Commission. This is why this bill was referred to me, because it is an election issue,
Right.
more so than it actually is an initiative to provide for health insurance to hotel workers. And so,
Right. Yeah, from my understanding, it's due at the end of this month in order to make the ballot.
I'm not sure if Election Commission has ever taken that position with respect to how many days they need to prepare for initiatives, whether it's via legislative submission or because they still have to have the education component, and both sides have to have equal opportunity to present their arguments regarding the bill. So, okay. No other. Well, no. Thank you so much for your participation. I know sometimes asking people to come after working hours to provide testimony on any matter before the legislature, it's a critical element to guiding us as we try to move forward on some of these issues. Okay,
Yeah,
so
thank you for the opportunity tonight.
and those who still wish to present testimony in the bill, they're welcome to do so, and then we'll continue to accept those testimonies
Okay,
for
thank you.
for 10 days. And for me, the general rule has been customary 10 days, or if the legislature goes into session, whichever comes first.
Okay.
Okay, so, but we'll let you know whatever those plans are if we're going to go into session.
Right.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
this hearing is adjourned, and
Okay.
thank you for your
Thank you
participation.
very much for hearing us.